In this brief tutorial, you'll discover how to find your Facebook Messenger link. Having your Messenger link readily available makes it easier for others to connect with you directly on Facebook Messenger. Let's get started. Open Facebook Messenger app on your device. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or by selecting your profile from the menu options. Scroll down and click Accounts Center. Then click Profile. After that, tap on the name. Then click Username. Copy the username and go back to the chat. Write // Then paste your copy text. That's it. You successfully found your Facebook Messenger link. Now you can easily share it with others to connect with you on Messenger. If you have any questions or encounter any issues during this process, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to give this tutorial a thumbs up if it helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.